Welcome to the grill. And I heard a news story not too long ago that there might have been a shortage of turkeys coming up for our Turkey Day. And they thought of some alternative recipes, and most of it was like lasagna, spaghetti, pizza, Italian dishes on Turkey Day. What about chicken? So tonight, we're smoking a chicken.
Come on in, grab a plate and hold on to your appetite. It's time for Floyd at the Grill.
All right, prepping our chicken for our smoke. We got one whole chicken I picked up from Publix. It only cost maybe about $6 for this whole chicken, so they're relatively cheap, a little bit cheaper than turkey, especially with the shortage of turkey that's this season. So it's a decent size. I mean, you can get about 3 or 4 of these, depending on what size family you have to cook for the day. But we're gonna do just one because, well, it's me. So we got this chicken. We're gonna put some garlic powder, some the Suckle Busters chicken rub. I got this from Bucky's. That's a great little place that if you've ever been around Texas and they're moving out into the southeast, maybe a little bit more into the Midwest, go check it out. It's an experience. We also have some oregano and basil, as well as ginger and some pearl onions that we'll put into our chicken. First, we'll start out with the rub, and we'll go ahead and rub it up and give it a nice color. Yeah, I'm dumping this stuff on here because we want to doctor it up and get it all nice and covered all through the whole chicken. So we'll do all that and we'll get it all prepped and ready for the smoker. Got our temperatures rising back up on our grill because I just opened it up to check the fire, and it is ready to go. Also threw a little bit of hickory on there to give it that hickory flavor on the chicken. Now I put the pearl onions and the ginger inside the cavity and did the rub and all the other spices on the outside, and did it on both sides, worked it around on both sides of the chicken. So it takes 2 hands to put this on there. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the grill, and we'll give it a check in just about an hour or so. Before we get to officially setting the chicken, I wanted to show you is that I took most of the other 2 grills out so I can tend to the fire throughout the cook. Got it offset over on this side of the grill, and so we'll have that smoke and everything getting for it. And we'll continue to monitor the fire and check on this. And with this grill being small as it is, it might take a little bit quicker than normal cook to get it through. Keeping the temperatures on our chicken around about 400 degrees, but looking on, it's been about an hour on our smoke and we're looking good. Got a good color coming onto our chicken here. Getting a little burn over on that wing, so we're gonna rotate it around and get another even cook on the other side, and try to get it away from the coals just a little bit. And also, we got some apple juice that we got in a little spray bottle here, and so we'll spritz it up and keep it moist. And this will help keep the meat moist all throughout the cook. So you always want to put a little bit of moisture on there, and we'll rotate that and let it go for just a little bit longer. All right, time to take a look at our chicken, and we are looking really done. Yeah, this is the color that we wanted to go for, and the look that we wanted to go for, and the temperatures we want to go for. So probing it with the temperature probe, we are right at the done temperature. So we'll take it off, let it rest a little bit, and then it'll be time to taste. It's now daytime that we've been cooking for so long, and we've gotten to the morning hours on our cook. But let me tell you, this chicken came out gorgeously. Let's take a look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Got nice colors on it. Smell is just stunning, absolutely stunning. So let's cut into our chicken and see what we've got going on here. Get a little bit of the breast meat here and pull this, and it is absolutely tender. And skin came right off. Skin pulls a little rubbery maybe. Not too bad though, it's a little crispy. Got a great flavor to it with all the seasoning in it. Cook is very nice. Came out very well. And this meat is just tender. It's just absolutely tender. So this is another alternative recipe to use. Just a little bit of rub that I had there. That chicken rub does have a little bit of a peppery spice to it, but it's not bad. All the others kind of help cancel it out a little bit. And yeah, I am very impressed and happy with this chicken. So I hope you enjoyed it as well, and I hope you try it out and tell me how you did. Make your posts in the comments. If you have any recipes, post those in the comments as well, and I might try to use them in a future episode. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget your favorite beverage along with it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching Floyd at the Grill, a Hilltop Media production.